Welcome to AutoCAD 2017 for beginners course. In the last video we created walls, as I have mentioned in the previous video that our objective is to create this plan. In this video we will continue from our last point. So to create door in this location, first of all we will use offset command, and to use offset command we will type O and enter. I have to close this window. I will type O and enter, and then after that I will type 4" and enter, and then after typing 4" I will click this line and move in the required direction. After clicking in this direction, and a copy of this line will be developed in the required direction, and here it is developed on the right side. Now I will take another copy of this object, but this time the copy of this line object will be 3 feet 6 inches. So I am going to type again O, enter, and then 3 feet 6 inches and enter. Select this line, move in the required direction as I am taking my copy in the right side of this plan. Now I will extend these two lines towards this line. To extend these lines I will use extend command. Now I'm going to type EX, enter, and now after that I will select this target line, and then after selecting target line I will press enter. After pressing enter, now I'm going to select these two lines by clicking at this point, and after that I will then click on the second line. Now both lines are now extended to this end line. Now the next step is to remove all unwanted portions of these lines. To remove unwanted portions of the lines, I'm going to utilize trim command. Trim command is also a very important command, with the help of which we can remove all the unwanted portions of the lines in our plan or drawing development process. Now I'm going to type TR and enter, and now in the command line AutoCAD is asking me to select all these lines on which you want to implement trim command. Now I'm going to select all these 4 lines. I can also select by just clicking on these lines, and also use green selection. In the green selection, whenever and a portion of some object comes inside my region of selection, it will be selected. After selection of objects, I will press enter, and then now I will remove all unwanted portions of the lines. Here. Now in the next step I am going to create a door symbol. To develop a door symbol, we will start with the help of a line command. I will type L and enter and click in the middle of this line. Now you can clearly see AutoCAD is not helping me to click in the middle of this line. I will have to enable snap settings. To enable snap settings, now I'm going to click on this drop down arrow, click on it, and then click on object snap settings. Shortcut key is F3. Can also click on this drop down and select object snap settings. Dialog box will be open. Here you can see that all the options are being checked. Now to enable this option, I will just only click on this checkbox and then press OK. Now I will again try to create line in the middle of this previously developed line. Now you can clearly see AutoCAD is guiding or helping us to create line object accurately in the middle of this previously created object. Now I'm going to click on this middle point and move my mouse button in the required direction. Now to bound myself to draw a line straight in 0 degree or 90 degree, I have to enable ortho on mode. If an ortho on mode is on, then I will only be able to create line in 90 degree or 0 degree. Now I'm going to click on this F8 shortcut key, and you can also click on this icon. Just click it. Now we will be able to create straight line. Now here I am going to type 2 inches and enter. A 2-inch line is developed. Now I will move my mouse pointer in the y-axis upward direction. Now you have to create a line more than 4 feet, as my space is 3 feet 6 inches. So now I am going to create circle at this point. I will type C, enter, and click on this point. And now I will move my mouse pointer at the opposite line door ending point in the middle of this line. I will move my mouse pointer at that point and then click. You can clearly see the circle has been developed, and the line here is intersecting this circle at this point. Now I will use trim command again. We can also use trim command with double enter, but now in this situation I am going to use this trim command with single enter. Now I will type tr enter. What is the difference between single enter and double enter? I will explain it in the next coming videos. Now I will type tr and enter. Then AutoCAD will ask me in the command line to select all the objects on which I want to implement the trim command. Here I will select this line and then this line, this circle, and after that I will select this circle, this line. After selecting all the objects, now I will press space button or enter button. After that I will click on those objects we want to remove from our door symbol. Here I am going to click line, and then after that I will click on this line. Now you can clearly see the door symbol has been developed. In this video we have created opening for the door and the symbol for the door to represent in a plan. In the next video we will move toward the window symbol and window opening. So see you in the next lecture.